B.O.A.T stands for Bust Out Another 1,000. Charter guests don't know nor do they care how much it costs to keep your boat looking great. We bought this one in part because the bathroom is right here, right off the stairs. This area was never designed to be a high traffic area, so it cannot handle lots and lots of people, like up there can. The nice thing too is the fridge and the sink are right here, so they're really close for guests. Keep that in mind when you're buying your charter boat. The height or clearance of your boat is something else to consider. You can see how much lower my Express Cruiser is than this sedan. Also, guests like to jump off into the water, so you can see from ours they can only go from the deck, whereas up there they can jump from the upper roof, or at least they'll try if they can. Express Cruisers typically have a large front bow area where everybody can hang out in the sun. We've had 12 guests up here, no problem. They book with you because they want to be out in the sun, not inside your boat.